Rumors of DJI entering the 360-degree camera market have been circulating since October last year. Now, fresh leaks suggest that DJI's long-anticipated device, likely named the OSMO 360, could launch in July 2025. Designed to rival the Insta360 X5, DJI appears poised to make a serious splash in the immersive content space. Leaked images from credible sources like at G8mer and at Quadro News offer a glimpse of the OSMO 360's possible design. The packaging reveals a sleek, compact form with dual lenses, front and back, for seamless 360-degree capture. Nestled between the lenses is a small touchscreen, ideal for previewing shots and navigating settings on the go. There's also what appears to be an accessory mount, likely compatible with tripods, selfie sticks, or DJI's stabilizers. Its portability and clean design clearly target vloggers, travelers, and content creators. Camera and sensor leaked specs suggest the OSMO 360 may support 8K video at 30 frames per second, putting it in direct competition with the Insta360 X5. The rumored 1.2 8-inch sensor and possible 72-megapixel photo mode hint at high-end performance for both stills and video. If these details hold up, DJI's debut 360 camera could stand shoulder to shoulder with the market's best. Potential trade-off may be battery capacity. Reports indicate the OSMO 360 could feature a smaller battery than the X5. While that raises concerns about runtime, DJI's history of efficient power management gives hope. Fast charging or swappable battery options could offset the lower capacity, helping maintain usability in the field. The integrated touchscreen, though compact, promises easy access to shooting modes and real-time framing. If DJI brings its intuitive UI from other OSMO products, users can expect a smooth, responsive interface, ideal for dynamic shooting environments. The leaks also reveal a dedicated accessory mount, adding versatility for mounting on helmets, drones, gimbals, and more. DJI may roll out proprietary accessories too, like underwater housings or external microphones, enhancing the OSMO 360's creative flexibility. Though full specs remain unconfirmed, it's likely the OSMO 360 will boast advanced capabilities like image stabilization, AI-powered editing tools, horizon leveling, and time-lapse modes. Features similar to Insta360's Flow, state stabilization, and automatic reframing could make this camera a ready-to-publish powerhouse with minimal post-editing needed. It's expected the OSMO 360 will sync with the DJI Mimo app, or a new app tailored for 360 content. This would enable file transfers, real-time previews, and direct uploads to social platforms. Connectivity options will likely include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB-C, along with potential cloud sync and editing support through DJI's ecosystem. While DJI hasn't confirmed anything officially, the consistent flow of leaks, including packaging photos, supports the July 2025 launch window. Pricing is still speculative, but considering its position against the Insta360 X5, priced around $499 to $599, the OSMO 360 is expected to fall in the $500 to $600 range. DJI may offer bundle options to appeal to both casual users and serious creators. If the OSMO 360 lives up to the leaks, offering 8K video, high-res stills, and DJI's hallmark stabilization in a compact design, it could be a game-changer for 360 content creation. With a July release possibly just weeks away, creators eager for immersive shooting tools should keep a close eye on DJI. The wait may soon be over,